But now, under up, Jigsaw Star hits the ground the early part. One about Willis Minsan. Uncle showing speed now in the early part, followed now by Sweet Eliza Acuris Manila Magic. Then followed now by Perfection, Storm Signal, and Sharp Eye. Going along for the first turn, Minsan, leading Balang, Jigsaw Star, Uncle, Sweet Eliza is watching in fourth banner at 3 lengths, Chris Manila Magica. And into the back they travel, Minsan, followed now by Uncle. Jigsaw Star is running by the wheel third, down in fourth, Sweet Eliza. And passing the half mile, Minsan, Uncle, Jigsaw Star. Sweet Eliza running in fourth, banner up 4 lengths, Chris Manila Magic, Storm Signal, Perfection, and Sharp Eye. And inside the last 600, Jigsaw Star takes the lead now by some 2. Minsan in second, running in third, Uncle. And here comes Sweet Eliza, Storm Signal. And around the outside now is Manila Magica. But still Jigsaw Star leading by some 6 lengths now. And towards the final turn, it is still Jigsaw Star, followed now by Sweet Eliza, running by the wheel. Is Storm Signal, and nearing the finish line, it's Jigsaw Star. Sweet Eliza, Storm Signal, Sharp Eye,